गुड मॉर्निंग दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल विथ अनदर व्लॉग। और टुडे इज़ 29 जनवरी 2021 और अभी एक फैमिली ट्रिप के लिए हम लोग जा रहे हैं मंदारमनी। ठीक है, ये जर्नी काफ़ी एक्साइटिंग होने वाली है। आई मीन समथिंग डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अ राइडिंग ब्लॉग, राइट। सो हर टाइम राइड कर रहे हैं, तो इस टाइम फैमिली के साथ हम लोग जा रहे हैं मंदारमनी और ये जर्नी आप लोगों के साथ मैं शेयर करने वाला हूँ। सो चैनल पे बने रहिए, इस वीडियो को अंत तक देखिए। आगे आप सबों से मिलता हूँ रास्ते पे। बाय बाय। सो अभी जा रहे जूम कार पिकअप करने के लिए। वी हैव अबाउट 7 adults and 2 kids और उसके लिए मुझे एक बड़ी गाड़ी की ज़रूरत है। एंड फॉर दैट आई हैव चोजन जूम कार फॉर दिस ट्रिप। और जूम कार को इतना लंबा ट्रिप के लिए मैंने कभी यूज़ नहीं किया, छोटे मोटे ट्रिप के लिए यूज़ किया है, तो माई रिव्यू हैज़ बीन गुड। वे देखते हैं कि लंबा ट्रिप में हाउ इट टर्न्स आउट टू बी। सो वी आर गोइंग इन ऊबर राइट नाउ और मुझे ये गाड़ी पिकअप करनी है जूम कार के पार्किंग लॉट से, जो कि कोलकाता एयरपोर्ट के पास है। So this is going to be our XUV 500 और इसको भी पिकअप करना है, पिकअप करके लेके जाने का। So we have started for Mandarmani now and my entire family is here. So everybody is enjoying now. So I took this XUV 500 from Zoom car. Initial impression was not that great, I would say. So the car was not in a proper condition, but the engine condition is actually good. So I'm enjoying driving it. So I'll catch up with you guys up ahead on the highway or somewhere out of the city. तो अभी बहुत जाम है। Haven't read. इतना जाम है क्या बताऊं। So we are stuck in here for last 45 minutes. Time now is 9 AM और अभी तक हम लोगों ने सिर्फ 20-30 किलोमीटर से कवर किया।
2000 years later.
So finally जाम वगैरह सब थोड़ा क्लियर हुआ है and we have got open highways. So far we have covered only about 50-60 किलोमीटर्स। ठीक है ना, अभी टाइम हुआ है 10:05। तो ऑलमोस्ट 3 घंटे हो चुके हैं हम लोग स्टार्ट किए हुए हैं। बट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस मैसिव ट्रैफिक जैम एंड यू नो देयर आर सिग्नल्स ऑन दिस हाईवे विच इज़ पैथेटिक, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर काइंड ऑफ बिहाइंड स्केड्यूल, राइट। सो बट एनीवेज अभी रास्ता क्लियर है, सो होपफुली वी विल बी एबल टू मेक अप सम टाइम दैट वी हैव लॉस्ट। So we are at Kolaghat now and I'm back at the usual place. So there was a lot of traffic and most of this car right has some speed limit and that's why it won't go beyond 80 kilometers per hour, which is again kind of a pathetic feeling because the highways are like open after some time and you can't go beyond 80 km/h. So that's something which we are struggling with right now. और यहाँ से अभी है around 3 hours 48 3 hours something दिखा रहा है। So let's see when we reach. We are already tired, so family is having some breakfast and all. So I'll catch you guys up on the road. Bye bye. So this is the first toll after Kolaghat. The problem with Zoom card is there is no fast tag, okay, and as a result you need to be on this only cash only lane, and that takes a lot of time. But today we encountered a lot of traffic, so that's another problem. And और अभी यहाँ से है almost about 120 kilometers. So let's see when we actually reach our destination.
I eat sandwich.
So he had sandwich, and I had tea actually, and rest almost of predominantly on tea because while we were stuck on the traffic jam, so we had some food, some snacks on the fly in the car, right? So, anyways, we'll catch up somewhere in Nandakumar. Bye bye. We are at now Nandakumar. Okay. Roads here are that is since last time when I came here. उसके बाद से तो रोड बहुत ही अच्छा है, and we have taken that ride from Nandakumar and we are proceeding towards Mandarmani. We have taken that Mandarmani that lane, right? So you need to take a diversion from the Digha route, and you need to come onto this road on which we are right now. The kids are very excited now, और उन लोगों को तो काफ़ी मज़ा आ रहा है कि we have finally arrived at the finally arrived means we are almost about to arrive. So anyway. Time now is about 1:50 and look what I've got for you. Surreal beauty, right? Isn't it? So while the formalities are being completed, right? So I thought, okay, let me utilize this time to actually, show him. What is this, Rishi? Samudri, okay. I thought to show him how a sea looks like, right? So he has, from his birth, he has seen mountains, hills and all, but he has never been to seaside apart from Goa, right? So this is a different kind of an experience altogether is what I can say. The last part of this journey was actually very interesting. So you need to actually come all the way via this beach, okay, to actually get onto this ramp and go park your vehicle, right? So anyways, I will catch up with you guys once I get the rooms and done with all the formalities.
फ्रेंड्स, सो काफ़ी अच्छी खासी नींद हुई आने के बाद. एंड नाउ अभी शाम में देयर इज़ नथिंग मच टू डू हियर, तो बैठ के थोड़ी मज़े लेंगे समंदर की. एंड देन we'll have our dinner and then see what else is there in store for us. ये resort काफ़ी अच्छा है, so it's quite a big property as you can see. These are the rooms, these are the premiums and these are the deluxe rooms. So we have taken these deluxe cottages. Room काफ़ी, I mean I won't say it's a huge room but adequate space है, इतना भी ज़्यादा नहीं है, कम भी नहीं है. And for now I am just going to sit and relax. और तो कुछ काम नहीं है. So I'll just show you our rooms now. Okay. So this one, that one, two, the other one there, three. So those are the 3 rooms that we got. And this is the room number 4004. And if I enter the room, so this is how it looks. So quite spacious, I would say. That's the closet type of. There is the bathroom. This is a bed. This is the bed. This is one extra bed that I have asked. There is the charging point and all. There is AC in case you need it, right? So in winters, obviously, you don't need. So overall, the rooms are good, neat and clean, and it's quite well decorated, I must say. So they have good lawn here. Okay, and this lawn is actually there all across. So in front of two rooms you can see one sort of a lawn. And this is the place where this is a big area where we can gather around and spend some time. So and you get a wonderful sea view up ahead.
Hello, sir. I play volley.
You are playing with sand.
Yeah.
What are you making?
Sandcastle.
You are making sand castle.
Yeah.
Okay.
I make sandcastle.
Can clap. Whoa. अब ये चने खा रहा हूँ और बीच वॉक कर रहा हूँ. And I'm liking it. And I'm testing out this light also. You can see pitch black darkness, not a single source of light, but still I am visible. So बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
So we are right now having dinner. और डिनर में है चिकन और रोटी. And I'm going to have chicken and roti now. Okay.
What are you eating?
Normally, dal bhat and bhat.
Wow. सो फ्रेंड्स, अभी तक आप लोगों ने देखा कि हमारे ट्रिप का डे 1 हम लोगों ने कैसे एंजॉय किया. सो डे 1 में वी वेंट फ्रॉम कोलकाता टू मंदारमनी एंड हाउ वी एक्चुअली एंजॉयड द एंटायर डे विद द फैमिली, राइट? And this trip was for 3 days, and I decided to kind of split this entire trip into 2 or maybe 3 episodes to the max. And that way I would be able to show you, or I would be able to capture those moments precisely on how we actually spent the days, right, in this trip. So thank you guys for watching this video, and if you do like this video, please do hit the thumbs up button, that's a like button, and do share the video among your friends and families, and more people you share, right? So I will feel privileged that my latest ride being the 26th January Republic Day ride to Pandit Dishwar Chandra Vidyasagar's birthplace. So that would be coming up here somewhere in the iCard. So click that link and that will take you to that video. So if you like other videos in the channel, please do consider subscribing to it and stay tuned for future vlogs. Until then, bye bye. Have a nice time and please do enjoy in your life and do whatever you like, my friends. Bye bye.